And here we are at the last analysis, daily analysis for the year 2022, and this is going to be the last trading sessions for the year 2022. Let's have a look for the gold. Throughout the day, it failed to breach past 1833, very strong level, which I told you in the morning analysis. Likewise, 1821, it tried to breach it once, went till 1822.5 and got the resistance and pulled back again. Now again trading at 1821. Remember, these were the levels I asked you to remain long at. At the same time, US30 trading with a drop and US100 also trading with a drop, again back at 10,800 levels. So what to expect? Let's have a look with the help of charts and indicators. First, gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, towards the end Dow Jones. Do trade as per the levels and just observe how it is behaving before taking an entry. Now look at the hourly charts for gold, clearly taking from the support from the 20 period moving average. At the same time, look at the 1822 levels, giving it a resistance. This is also a pivot level which is giving it a resistance, and yes, I am still bullish beyond these levels, beyond 1822 and 1825. You can expect gold to fly, but let's see if it tries to sustain those levels or not. Right now it appears to be bullish. It is waiting for a breakout. Let's wait for it to give a breakout. Directional movement trying to converge. It is bullish so far. Stochastic rising. The MACD is trying to take a bullish cross here. It is, so far it was trading in red. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, see, after taking the support here at 1813, 1815 zone, it is trying to rise. See, this is the first breakout candle. I'll wait how and where this breakout candle closes. Probably it might close above 1822, and the next candle might also try to trade bullish. 1830, 1833, 34 zone certainly be a good level where it might try to close the year here. The directional movement is bullish, stochastic rising here. The MACD is bullish, divergent, RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, likewise, you can see this lower highs, lower lows, and this candle trying to break out once it trades above 1822. Certainly more bullishness can be expected. And beyond 1825, this is the level beyond which more bullishness can be expected, beyond which I will be definitely expecting 1830, 1835 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic at the highs, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similarly, see previous two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and yes, it needs to break past 1822 zone, sustain above this. The next candle will decide which direction it takes. Probably 1830-35 levels can be expected again. Directional movement bullish here. If you look at the stochastic, this is trading near to the highs. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts too, see the candle has taken a shape. It is looking or trying to trade bullish. The probability for it to achieve 1825 exists, but then 1830, 1835 zone again going to be a very good resistance. See, the top of the Bollinger Bands here at 1825-30 zone is going to be a very good resistance zone. Yes, it has taken the support here. Also, previous candle has a good wick. It appears that it may give, the candle size could be higher than, or you can say longer than this, and hence probably it may try to breach past 1825 levels. That is my expectation. Directional movement bullish, stochastic flat. The MACD is trying to converge crossover, RSI looking upwards. Considering this, only sell entries below 1813 levels. Below 1813 you can expect it to drop, and now above 1821 it is trying to trade. It has to sustain above 1822. The target is 1825, very nearby, but yes, that is the first resistance, and beyond that I look forward to 1829-30 levels, and in fact it can try to achieve further till towards 1835-36 levels. So yes, beyond this zone, if it sustains above 1822, you can stay long for 25, 30, 35 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Below 1813, certainly we can see a good drop. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, you can enroll now for my next batch starting 18th of January and 9th of January. This is the 18th batch. Be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts on Nasdaq 100. See, here it has got the resistance. After that, consolidation, sharp drop, retracement, sharp drop. Now it has covered the journey till here, and if you connect the dots here, you will find that this is almost the bottom here at 10,800. It should not breach 10,800, because below which certainly more bearishness can be seen, and 10,750 levels can be expected if it breaches or trades below 10,800 levels. At the same time, if you connect the high, see, this is the channel it is trying to trade in, and possibly beyond 11,000 there is certainly more bullishness, but right now it is getting the resistance at 10,900 40-50 zone, so it has to break past this in order to trade bullish. Directional movement bearish here, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish, it is looking downwards. We saw this in the morning analysis. RSI is looking downwards here too. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, retracement drop, consolidation drop, retracement drop again. So yes, it is one thing is clear, that it has achieved the base here. One thing which is I am looking forward to, that it has achieved the base. Second thing is that this is still trying to narrow it a bit, and hence on the downside the still support is available at 10,700, which is going to be a very good support. So I'll wait for it to break past this zone at 10,800 for it to trade bearish. Below 10,800 you can expect little more bearishness, taking it for 10,740, and then 10,700. Below that 10,670 can achieve double bottom, possibility exists. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell here, and the RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts, first thing is higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen. This is trying to trade in this channel. It should not break 10,800 level. That is my expectation. And if it breaks, certainly you can expect 10,750, 10,740 zone, and then 10,700, 10,670 levels to be very good support. Directional movement crossing over for a sell, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell entry. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating bearishness here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, resistance there, first red candle, second red, and a step there, and then the second bigger red candle. So possibility is there that it can try to trade in this channel. 10,800 certainly be a good resistance. And on the upside, now see, this lower highs are being seen on the 4-hour charts. It means till 10,920, 10,940 zone, do not buy anything. That is the expectation there. At the same time, till 10,800 do not sell it, because below 10,800 only you can expect little more bearishness. So in between 10,800 and 10,920, at least do not take any position here for Nasdaq 100. In fact, on the upside, 10,940, 50 zone, first resistance 11,000, the next resistance zone will come into picture. Directional movement bearish, stochastic dropping here, the MACD trying to convert, the RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, see higher highs, higher lows, and the support there at 10,800, 780 going to be very strong. Then 10,750, 10,700. These are going to be very strong support zone. On only below 10,700 further bearishness can be expected, taking it till towards 10,660, 10,600 levels, the next stoppage. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD is bearish here, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, only buy entry I will recommend is at 10,920, or the support there at 10,800 is very strong. Hence, you need to remain cautious. It can possibly bounce back and swing in between these levels for next couple of hours before trying to take a direction. 10,800, 760 levels, 10,740 levels, very strong support. 10,700 the next support, and below that further bearishness can be expected. And on the upside, beyond 10,920, 10,950, 10,985 are the next targets. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness might take it for 11,050, 11,100 levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly charts, retracement drop. Again trying to reverse here. Possibility exists that once it trades beyond 33,100, you can again expect little more bullishness, but only bullish confirmation is if it trades above 33,150. Beyond that you can expect 33,200, and if it trades beyond 33,200, so these levels, if you recall, yesterday also I asked you to trade as per these levels, that beyond 33,000 we can expect 33,060, 33,100, and then 33,200 and 300 directly. So here also it is replicating the same in between 33,600, 060, very good support. Beyond that it is trying to now achieve 33,100, then 33,150, 200, and then 300 levels to be seen. And if you look at the hourly charts, see, first of all, lower highs are seen, second lower lows are seen. Possibility exists that once it drops below this zone at 33,000, it will call for further bears, which might take it till towards 32,900 and 32,850 levels. In fact, 32,800 is a very good support there on the downside. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down, MACD divergent bearish looking down, RSI is also looking down here, indicating little more bearishness. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see here it is shown the reversal, then retracement, lower highs, and again trying to drop. So it is trying to create a channel of its own. Possibility is there that if it trades below 33,000, we can expect further bearishness, taking it till towards 32,950, 32,900, 32,800 levels. Directional movement is bearish too. Stochastic is at bottom. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. RSI is looking downwards. And likewise, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, another observation is higher lows. At the same time, lower highs. It is trying to consolidate here in between this. And this implies that on the downside, 32,900 very strong support resistance, and 33,300 very strong resistance. So possibility for it to break out, give a breakout exist. Directional movement crossing over for a bearish move. Stochastic oversold. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI showing bearishness and it is indicating downwards. However, it is still not to be considered bearish till the time it trades above 32,900 today. Here you can expect possibility of it to give you good swing exist. So achieving 32,900, again it may bounce back till towards 33,200 levels, as it is trying to trade within this channel, and hence you need to remain cautious. Directional movement bearish, stochastic dropping, the MACD trying to converge, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see lower highs consistently are seen, lower lows are seen. If it draws below 33,000 and then specifically below 32,900, you can expect another round of good drop, which might take it till towards 32,800, 32,750 levels. On the upside, it has to trade above 33,250 levels in order to trade bullish. You can buy at 33,100 and expect it to trade bullish. Expect 33,150, 33,200 as the next target, and if it trades above 33,200, expect it to give another flying move, which might take it for 33,300, 400 and 500 levels. These are going to be very good resistance level. 33,400 and 500 on the downside. 32,900 is going to provide a support. You can sell at 33,000 and expect it to drop for 32,950, 32,900 at the maximum support. Below that, it can try to achieve 32,800 levels, which is the next strongest support. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and wish you all a very happy and prosperous year 2023. Happy trading. Thank you very much.